Hey guys, today we're installing the BuiltRight Industries dash mount for the Jeep JL and JT. Let's get into it. So the first thing we'll do is open up the box here. We got our two base pieces. I'm gonna pull those out, set those aside. We've got a small hardware kit. That kit should have 2 longer screws and 6 small flathead machine screws along with the Allen key that you'll need. Packaged by card here with a link to the install guide and a sticker. And then your top plate. So that's all we need. Let's install it. All right, so aside from this hex key here, all you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver to install this kit. All right, so up in the tray here, you may have a rubber liner. If you do, go ahead and pull that out, set it aside. We are not gonna need it. And then take your 2 end pieces here and just place them in. It'll be pretty obvious where those fit, like so. And then we're gonna take the 2 included longer screws and set them through each part into the threaded insert and tighten them down just shy of snug because we wanna take a look at our side-to-side movement. There is a little bit of play built in there before tightening these down. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and snug these up with the included hardware. I'm gonna push the piece to the outside of the vehicle, get it a little bit snug. There may be some fine tuning involved, so don't go crazy with it. Top plate in place. It's gonna be a little bit snug up here near the logo, but it should fit just fine. And then we're going to install these screws one at a time, keeping them loose until we're ready to go back and tighten everything down. I'm just tightening down this top plate here. Now would be the time though, prior to tightening this down, to attach your accessories to the top plate. In my case, I'm going to use a Mountech 2-bolt base, and we've actually hidden another threaded insert down here. So instead of removing the top plate, I can just remove this screw and then use these 2 screws to secure our 2-bolt base. So if you're using some other system, you might want to take the top plate off so you can easily access the bottom of it. I am not, so I'm going to go ahead and finish tightening it down. All right, so to use this extra threaded feature we've got here with a Mountech or a Ram Mounts 2-bolt base, I'm going to remove this screw and set it aside. I'm going to set my 2-bolt base here, and then I'm going to use the longer screws that we ship with the Mountech stuff. This one started. All right, so with that, you've got our BuiltRight Industries dash mount installed in your Jeep JL or JT. Hopefully you got some accessory mounts on there as well. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, please find us in the comments, send us an email, or give us a call. See you next time. Thanks for watching.